I'm going to be straightforward here. After being married for 13 years and initiated a divorce, learning all the hardship, healing, contemplating, I can say that the divorce is my biggest accomplishment in my life until now. I'm so proud of my divorce because for the first time in my life that I stand up for myself. For the first time, I spoke my truth and expressed my honest feeling. I was shaking and trembling, of course, but somehow it feels right. Traditional marriage is to own someone till death do us part, no matter if both are miserable, incompatible, suffering, no growing, and of course some fake love. People always said that we have to make it work by compromise, sacrifice, and of course for the sake of the children. This is the generational trauma that we need to break. Please note that in love, there is no sacrifice and compromise. What is love anyway? To love means to take others' best interests as our own. For example, if your partner love language are touch and deep intimate talk, you will prioritize it easily. Love should feel easy, light, and free. If you don't feel free, then it is not love. Simple. To love someone is to let them express themselves freely, to see their essence beyond their physical body and emotions. To love someone is to hold the space whenever they are having an intense feeling, such as anger without judgment. Love and judgment cannot go together. Either you love them without judgment or you judge them without love. In love, there is no but. Saying but I love you is an unconscious manipulation tactic. It doesn't matter whether you think you have loved them or not. The most important question is, do they feel truly loved by me? Do they feel free with me? People use love to control and to shame the partner. Society defines love for us and we believe it, even though deep inside we are suffering. Women and children sometimes are seen as a possession and a trophy. How sad. Experiencing all of that makes me so grateful because I've outgrown my old and limited self. It is all a good thing for me, and I wouldn't want to trade this experience with anything else. A marriage is a wonderful vessel for expansion and growth. Tills once said that we should shift till death do us part, to till expansion do us part. And I think it's brilliant. A lot of marriage has become a prison for both, but many are still holding on because of the children. On the contrary, the parents will only pass down the mental suffering and trauma to the children. Everything is energy, and the children will 100% feel the unspoken resentment and the suffering. And the most dangerous thing is they will learn that love is painful and fake. Children suffer not because of the divorce, but because of the unresolved trauma and the ego from the parents. Just saying. When one person in the marriage are ready to level up and grow and the other refuse and shut down, then they must part ways. Because if they don't, there will be an ongoing suffering that eventually will force the breakups. Just like when the caterpillar is ready to be a butterfly, you cannot stop the natural process. And when the butterfly has emerged and rise up to the beautiful sky, the butterfly will not play and engage with the caterpillar anymore. It is the law of nature. Death and rebirth is very natural, just like the changing of the season. Marriage and divorce is just the same process. We need to embrace changes in order to grow and to expand to our best self. Our intimate partner is the perfect mirror that shows the shadow that we need to integrate. He was never wrong me. It was me who haven't loved myself first. I searched for love externally. I was dependent on him to love me and to fulfill me. I need him to make me feel good, to praise me, to tell me that I'm beautiful. I was heavily demanding him to see me while I don't even see myself. All the pain leads me to love myself first, and it is super hard because it is unfamiliar. It is impossible to love the other when we haven't loved ourselves first. Everything is a mirror. When we are lack of self-love, we will only project our own lack. Love is the foundation of everything. When there is no love and freedom after 13 years of trying, then I need to transform this relationship. I'm grateful for feeling unloved because it forced me to finally love myself deeply. My ex is a messenger from the universe that's showing me the things in me that I need to heal, love, and integrate. Every painful experience is a gift. It took me 3 years to go back and forth from hate into love, into hate, into love. Until at one point, you make a quite solid foundation of self-awareness and self-love to not engage in hatred and victim mindset again. Slowly, we are releasing the trauma and almost all of the suffering. Now I know what I want in a relationship. Now I understand what love is. Now I know who I am. I never knew that I am lovable without trying hard to be loved. Now I know that love is free and fun. I prefer the term sacred union rather than marriage. One is freedom and the other is imprisoned. Love is conscious and equal. Love is calm and healing. Love is a home feeling. Love is when you can communicate without words. Whenever you see them, you see the reflection of your soul. When you love someone, you set them free. And it is when you know that you want to stay.